Hello and welcome to Healthy, Happy, Humble, and Inspiring. My name is Zarina, and today I'm going to be talking about something that is my mantra. I will tell you what that is in just a moment, but before I do that, please go to my channel on YouTube, HHHI Official. Please like, subscribe, and share, where we have posted great videos about your health, your happiness, and things that will inspire you. So with that, I'm going to talk about something that is really my mantra. I'm going to be talking about something that is so important in all my exercise videos. How do I start out my videos with? I talk about water. One of the most important things you need to do, drink, eat before you start doing any kind of exercise and all day long. So today my topic is water. So what is water? There's something called hydration and dehydration. Everybody says, well, I don't like water. I don't like the taste of it. You drink water because it is essential for your body. Because all day long, when we are breathing, when we are perspiring, when we urinate, and for our bowel movements, water is essential. As we lose water throughout the day, it is very important to replenish it. The water gets rid of all the waste products in our body, which is essential. If you don't drink enough water, you are going to have a very hard time in the bathroom. I assure you, your urine color, you will be able to tell because it's going to turn yellow. And when your urine is yellow, that is not a good thing, which means your body is really thirsty. And at that point, you are dehydrated. If you have a hard time going to the bathroom also, that is not going to work because your body has not had enough water to digest all the food that you've taken in. Each individual's needs are different about water because people like us who exercise, you need a lot of water. I always say in my video, I start my day with water. I drink a liter of water before I start exercising. So if you're exercising, you need more water. Athletes, if you're very, athletic, you play some kind of sports, you must drink water, and actually you will need to drink extra water. I always say drink water before you exercise, during your exercise, and after you exercise to replenish it. The other factors that depend on how much water you need is your environment, it's your climate. If you are living closer to the equator in some of those really hot countries, or if you're working outside, that is your work environment. Of course you're going to need more water than an average person. So if somebody is supposed to drink 5 bottles a day, you might need 6 or 7. That is essential to replenish your water needs all day long. Ladies, those of you who are breastfeeding or are pregnant, you need more water because you know that baby is taking the nourishment from you. When your body has enough water, the baby is going to have enough water. So pregnant women need to drink plenty more water than an average person. The other thing is that your overall health. How are you feeling? Are you one of those people who has some kind of condition? You need to take medication. Now, let me just say this. When you take medication, it is extremely important that you drink with plenty of water. They say, oh, I just need to swallow the medication. That's not enough. You need to drink more water than that because medication has to digest. So that is extremely important. So if your mouth is feeling dry and you're feeling dehydrated, what can you do immediately to eat something? Let's say if you don't have any water with you. There are many sources of hydration and water. For example, you can drink some milk. Milk has water. How about juices? Juices have a lot of water. And coffee, tea, however, I would say take those in moderation because of the caffeine. Additional sources, fruits and vegetables. There are plenty of fruits. For example, watermelon, which is almost all water, and grapes. They are a great source of water. In vegetables, spinach, which is also good for your overall health, and it contains a lot of water. I have talked about water indirectly. Now I'm going to talk about water options directly. I'm going to show you some water options. However, I just want to explain that we are not being sponsored by anybody, and I'm using these to show you the different sources of water. The first one is coconut water. This is great because it has essential oils of coconut and it's got plenty of water. The next one is flavored water. This is a drink which has some flavor in it and plenty of water. So this is a great source for water. The next one is electrified water. This has got electrolytes in it. I love this one because it has a little flavor in it and it's a big bottle, and if you drink it, you are going to feel good. The next source is regular water that you get in water bottles that are available everywhere. This is the best form, I would say. Keep it handy with you. You can put it in your bag, in your pocketbook, and carry it with you. Very easy. Now you know there are so many choices in water. So if you don't like plain water, these are some of your wonderful choices. These are some other choices. Okay, which one is yours? That is wonderful. Tastes great. So now comes the answer to the big question. How much water is necessary for somebody to drink? The simple answer is that according to your height, weight, your environment, if you're living in a hot climate or an average climate, for men, it is recommended 3.7 liters, which is approximately 125 ounces. Ladies, for you living in average condition, average climate, it is 2.7 liters, which is about 91 ounces. Okay, so I have made it very simple for myself. My water bottle is 24 ounces. So I drink 4 of these water bottles, which makes it 96 ounces, which is recommended for women. For men, drink 5 of these water bottles, which is 125 ounces. So if you drink this or more, you are doing great. And I would say, please drink as much water as possible for a great, healthy, happy life. In my videos, I am keeping it real and I am bringing you the best. I talk a lot about health, and today I talked about water, which is the most important part. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, HHHI Official, which stands for Healthy, Happy, Humble, and Inspiring. I will be bringing you great videos. Till next time, take care.